Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today, I wanted to show y'all a kit from Kara Brandon. It is her rainbow collage tag and ephemera kit, y'all. And if y'all want to see what I'm going to make with this, y'all going to have to watch the next video. So, let's get this show on the road. We have these tags here. And I printed them. See, this one's a little bit lighter than this one. So, and this here, my printer was running out of ink, so I got it in 2 different colors. See? Well, then we have this one and this one, but you don't see this one and this here, but I see it. And some of them are faint because of the color. Okay? So we have that one. And this is all printed. I changed my ink after I printed this. Okay? And I'm going to use both sets of this. Okay. We got that one. Whoops. That didn't come out right. We got these 2. So remember, watch for the next video if y'all want to see what I make with this. And this is going to be a guest design team project for Kara Brandon Creations, I think it is. Yep, Kara Brandon Creations. We got this one. And you see, this is the difference when I like to do it this way. That way I can use it, both of them, both, ways of printing. Once my printer runs out of ink and I reload it, I'm good to go. But I've done a lot of kits where I have 2 different tones or colors that it printed out. And I got the original and before I changed my ink. I'm just trying to keep everything straight here. See? And I'll be working with both of these in the next video. I like the way it came out though. Really, really pretty. I got this one 3 times. See? And this one goes with this one here. And this one goes to the bottom. Now I also have it printed just the normal colors. Okay. I printed it out, I think more than once. So I will be using, here's the smaller ones. These are fussy cut. These are layered. It's all the layered rainbow kit. Okay. These you can fussy cut. These you can fussy cut. This is all ephemera. See? And that's the end of it. But I will be fussy cutting all of this out myself and doing my projects with it. And I have a good idea for this one. But y'all have to stay tuned to the next video to see what I will be making. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And also, if you haven't done so already, please do hit the big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye.